Have you lost your Papua New Guinea school certificate or diploma? It's a stressful situation, but don't worry. This guide will walk you through the exact steps to get an official replacement document. First, a crucial point you must know. Original certificates for grade 8, 10, and 12 are not reprinted. Once lost, you can only obtain an official statement of results. This document contains all your marks and is the legal replacement. For diplomas and degrees, the process is different. We'll cover that at the end. Let's break it down by education level. For lost grade 8 certificates, grade 8 certificates are issued by the Measurement Services Division. If you lose yours, follow these steps. Consult your provincial examination supervisor, also known as the PES, in your province. You will need to complete a statutory declaration at a courthouse stating you lost the certificate. Submit this to your PES. They will issue you a statement of results. Currently, there is no application fee for a lost grade 8 statement of results. For lost grade 10 and grade 12 certificates, the process is very similar and involves a fee. Step 1. Download the official application form. We have linked it in the description below. Step 2. Fill out the form completely. You will need to attach passport-sized ID photos. Step 3. Go to a courthouse and complete a statutory declaration for your lost certificate. Get it signed and stamped. Step 4. Pay a fee of 25 kina, or K25, at a government finance office or treasury. Important, ensure the payment is made to the MSU trust account, code 361-08. Attach the original receipt to your application. Step 5. Submit your complete application package. You can lodge it in person at the Measurement Services Division located at the PNG Education Institute in Waigani. If you are outside Port Moresby, mail it to the Principal Examination Officer, Measurement Services Division, P.O. Box 446, Waigani, NCD. Processing usually takes about 1 week. For how to fill the Statement of Results application form, now we will follow these steps as a demonstration. Step 1. Fill out Part 1, this section, yourself. Step 2. In Part 2, a recognized official must complete and sign this section. This can be a pastor, government officer, or counselor. Step 3. Fill out the statutory declaration form. Step 4. Pay K25 at the nearest finance or treasury office. Step 5. Compile your application, make a copy, and keep it for your own records. Step 6. Lodge the application at the Measurement Services Division, Port Moresby, using the address provided. Make sure to attach your original receipt. Now let's demonstrate on how to fill the application form, Part 1. Enter your surname or father's name. Example, Blow. Enter your given name. Example, Joe. Enter your grade and year. Example, grade 12, 2000. Enter the school name and principal's name at the time of graduation. Example, Utu Secondary School, Mr. Lemek. Enter the names of 3 classmates from that time. Example, Janet James, Peter Luca, Tanana John. Enter your address. Example, P.O. Box 001, Kavieng, New Island. State your employment status. If you are not employed, write unemployed. Sign the form using your signature. Part 2. SOR Application Witness Section. Your witness, recognized official, must write his or her full name, example, Mark Tom, state the position held, example, pastor, Lutheran Church. Enter a contact number. Example, 7100001. State the department or organization. Example, Lutheran Church. Provide the address. Sign and stamp the form with an official stamp. Part 3. Statutory Declaration. Fill out the statutory declaration form as follows. I, Joe Blow, of Kavieng, Lutheran Church, declare that I attended Utu Secondary School and was issued a grade 12 certificate in the year 2000. State the reason for the application. For example, I lost my certificate in a house fire. Take the completed statutory declaration to the courthouse and have it officially declared before a commissioner for oaths or authorized officer. Lost Teachers College, Technical, or Nursing College diplomas. The process changes. You must first report the loss to the police and the relevant authority, like the Teaching Service Commission for Teachers. Then, you must write a formal submission to the Department of Higher Education, Research, Science, and Technology, that's DHERST, to request a reprint of your diploma. For lost university degree papers, if you've lost a bachelor's, master's, or PhD certificate, you must contact the university that issued it directly, or you can also consult DHERST for guidance. Key reminders. Ensure every part of your application is filled out correctly and truthfully. Incorrect information will get your application returned. The 25 kina fee is non-refundable. You must have a senior official, like an education officer or church minister, complete part of your form and sign across your photo. For your convenience, we have linked the essential application forms for grade 10 and 12 in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more clear explanations on important processes. Thank you for watching.